Hola.
Hola. ¿Estás paseándote?
Nah, no, mi español es muy poquito.
Oh. Are you ride bicycles?
It's like a bicycle, it's electric.
This is the camera?
Yeah.
Wow.
Say hello.
Hi.
Give kiss to the people. Bye.
Bye.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am finally taking my beautiful Sur Ron out for its first ride, its maiden ride on the KO Moto Controller. We got the stock motor, painted that motor cover, looking good. I'm loving the blue controller, and I went with this wrap that, thank you guys for voting on my poll that I created. I'm loving the contrast with the fluorescent yellow sprocket and the yellow accents. Oh my god, guys, it's looking beautiful. Just wanted to kind of reveal this. I know you guys seen my wrap video, but this is finally out in the daylight. We're taking it out for a quick ride. It's not gonna be the full range. I'm kind of at 100%, but not fully. But I will shoot a proper new range test with this controller. But yeah, let's get going, and I'll talk more about my setup and what we're running. Man, what a beautiful thing this has become. The Sur Ron is completely different now. I got everything that I kind of want and need on it right now. It's looking sexy. As far as the controller goes, it was a little weird in the beginning. I feel like some of the installation videos and how-to videos are, shout out to the people who do them, but not all of them cover everything, and you learn so much along the way. First hooking up to it was a little annoying. I can't wait till they release like an iPhone app, that's for sure. But using it with an Android, once you hook it up with an Android, it's so much faster, it's so much quicker to tune everything. Luckily for me, I had a spare one laying around, so I kind of got used to, had to use that, but kind of annoying that that whole situation is not figured out yet. As far as my tune, I have the CHIBATTERY endurance battery. It's a 60 volt 60 amp hour. It is more for range, so my battery is the first generation, and it's for a tune of 7 kilowatts or less. When I contacted Chi, they told me I can do 8.5 and it wouldn't hurt the battery. So right now I'm actually running 150 amps for the max line current, which equates to 9 kilowatts. There's actually a cool calculator and a cool little thing. I'll put it up. I'll make a thing for it and throw it up on the screen for you tuners out there, so you can see what amps equates to what kilowatts. So anyways, right now I'm running 150 max line current and 420 phase amps. From what I understood, the stock motor is 520 phase amps. So I guess I can go higher on that. I had a little bit of a hard time understanding like the difference between the two, but finally I think I got it down. But I think 420 is okay. I'm loving the way the bike feels now. I've hit like 52 miles an hour, and it was more to go. I was just not fully pushing. I let go. But anyways, we'll go to the trails right now and kind of give it a little test, do our test of our own, and see what we can find. All right, we made it. Look at this beautiful Sur Ron. I'm loving the way it turned out. Only thing is, so like I said, I'm running 150 amps, which is 9 kilowatts, but it is definitely a battery raper. I mean, this CHIBATTERY display is kind of laggy. It's not 100%, but it's like probably 74. It's probably gonna hit 75 any second, but let's just say 75%. My bike wasn't 100% when I left. It wasn't fully at 100%, and we did almost 11 miles at 9 kilowatts. So yeah, there's definitely a major difference as far as that goes. But let's see what we feel over here, if we feel any difference. Oh yeah. My motor sounds weird. My motor sounds weird right now, guys. Sputtering. Let me check the temp on it. I didn't ride that much. I don't even know anymore. It's like sputtering. I don't even know if it's hot or not. It's not at all. I wonder if it's my belt. Yeah, the motor is not at all close to being hot. I don't know what that was about, but I'm not sure if my belt belt time has come, or maybe the phase amps are doing something, but it was sputtering. Interesting. So yeah, I'm hearing and kind of feeling something, and I'm not sure if it's the motor, but something's, I don't know, maybe it could be my belt. Maybe it's time to replace the belt. It is kind of whining, but I don't know what this feeling is like, or what is this sensation I'm feeling. Yeah, so I don't know if it's my belt that's sliding, or because there's so much more power and my tires are kind of worn, my rear is kind of worn. Is that what I'm feeling? The rear, like, are we spinning tire here? Is that what it is? No, that's not spinning tire. That's something. I wonder what that sound is, guys. Making me a little nervous, because I'm not sure if it's the belt or not. I don't want to get stuck over here. You know what I mean? But let's see how we do up here. My old bike would struggle midway up this hill. So yeah, this one does not seem to mind. I wonder what that was all about. What's that little sputtering all about? Go back to EP. I have to stop and assess the situation. Let's go to our beautiful view spot. Yeah, I do not like that sound. I don't know what that sound is. It started, I didn't really hear it before. I also have to be wary of the battery right now. So I guess no more 60 miles, you know what I mean? Say goodbye to that. Unless I tweak my EP mode. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. How beautiful. Always amazed me how beautiful this is. Alright, let's go to our spot and talk some KO talk. Oh, you hear that? What's that? What the hell is that sound? Whoa, do you hear that? You hear that? Oh my god. Is that my belt under load? What's happening here? Oh man, I really hope my belt is not done. I really hope my belt is not done. Not that I'm afraid to change it, it's not a big deal, but man. Yeah, but that's what it's kind of sounding like. Did you hear that little sputtering going uphill? That did not sound good at all. Okay, so let's see what happened here. 64%. That's crazy. It looks like I'm gonna be having to head home from here. I'll definitely have to, I guess, turn it down a bit 150 is, I guess, too much. I might go to either 130 or 140. That's crazy. Yeah, that's the big trade-off, I guess. I mean, the motor is warm. The cables are not warm. The connections are a little warm, but you know, I've had this motor hotter on the stock setup, so I wonder if it's the belt. Oh, I think my belt is too loose. I think my belt is too loose. Might have to tighten my belt down and see if that helps it. I'm at 1394, so I'm almost at 1400 miles on that stock belt. It's safe to say it's probably about time to replace it, especially with this more power. But we definitely have some things we got to figure out. I don't know if it's just the belt or something else is going on. I did not hear that on the road. I really wanted to kind of show you guys everything, but that kind of sputtering kind of threw me off guard. Was not ready for that. So I'm kind of afraid to get stuck out here. I may have to call it for this video, but definitely make sure you subscribe, and we'll do a proper top speed run and everything on it. Hey, let me take my jacket off over here so we can appreciate the beauty one last time. But yeah, like I said, we'll shoot a proper video on everything. This belt sound kind of worries me, so I don't want to keep on going. But again, guys, if you like this type of content and you dig my bike, leave a like, drop a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. That definitely helps out the channel. But yeah, appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.